The kitchen has long been considered the heart of the home, a space where cooking, conversation, and connection come together. As we step into 2025, kitchen trends are evolving to reflect a desire for warmth, functionality, and timeless appeal. Homeowners are moving away from sterile, all-white kitchens and instead embracing rich textures, earthy tones, and thoughtful storage solutions that create a space that feels both stylish and practical. This year, sustainability and innovation are playing a bigger role in kitchen design, with a focus on natural materials, smart storage, and lighting that enhances both ambience and efficiency. Whether you're planning a full remodel or simply looking for ways to refresh your space, 2025 offers a range of inspiring trends that cater to modern lifestyles. From the rise of statement lighting to the resurgence of warm wood finishes, these trends will help redefine the way we think about kitchen design. Let's dive into the top trends shaping the kitchens of the future. One of the most noticeable shifts in kitchen design for 2025 is the move towards warmer, more inviting color palettes. For years, cool grays and stark whites dominated kitchen spaces, creating sleek but sometimes sterile environments. Now, there's a growing preference for earthy tones that bring a sense of warmth and comfort to the heart of the home. Expect to see rich, nature-inspired hues such as deep greens, warm taupes, clay reds, and buttery yellows making their way onto cabinetry, backsplashes, and walls. These colors add depth to the space while maintaining a sense of timeless elegance. Painted cabinets in hues like olive green, terracotta, or soft beige pair beautifully with wood finishes, stone countertops, and textured backsplashes to create a layered and sophisticated look. Matte and satin finishes will also be more prevalent, moving away from high-gloss surfaces. These finishes lend a more organic and understated feel to kitchens while being easier to maintain. To complete the look, accent materials such as brushed brass, antique bronze, and warm-toned metals will replace cooler silver finishes, further enhancing the inviting atmosphere of the kitchen. If you found these kitchen trends inspiring, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love home design. As people seek to create calming, organic spaces, natural materials are taking center stage in kitchen design. In 2025, there's a strong emphasis on wood, stone, and textured surfaces that bring warmth and character into the kitchen. Wood cabinetry, particularly in lighter or mid-tone finishes like white oak, walnut, and ash, is becoming increasingly popular. Homeowners are opting for fluted, slatted, or paneled cabinetry to add dimension and texture to their kitchens. Open shelving in natural wood also continues to be a stylish choice, allowing for a curated, personalized touch while keeping essentials within easy reach. Stone countertops are also experiencing a transformation. Instead of plain, uniform quartz, dramatic veining in marble, quartzite, and soapstone is making a bold statement. The shift toward honed, leathered, and matte finishes enhances the natural appeal of these materials, giving kitchens a more grounded and timeless look. Another big trend is the use of plaster and lime wash walls. These finishes add a handcrafted, slightly imperfect feel, making spaces feel more relaxed and lived in. When paired with sleek modern appliances, they create an interesting contrast that balances contemporary design with rustic charm. Which kitchen trend are you most excited about for 2025? Let us know in the comments below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. A well-organized kitchen is essential for both efficiency and aesthetics, and 2025 is all about hidden storage solutions that create a clean and clutter-free environment. With homeowners prioritizing functionality, kitchens are being designed with innovative storage options that maximize space while maintaining a sleek look. One major trend is the rise of concealed cabinets and appliance garages. These allow small appliances like toasters, coffee makers, and blenders to be tucked away when not in use, freeing up counter space and maintaining a tidy appearance. Additionally, push-to-open cabinets and handleless drawers contribute to a seamless, modern aesthetic. Another game-changer is the multifunctional kitchen island. In 2025, islands are designed to do more than just provide extra prep space. They incorporate hidden compartments, built-in shelving, and charging stations for ultimate convenience. Some even include extendable tables or hidden seating to transform the island into a dining space when needed. Drawer organization is also being redefined with customized dividers, peg systems, and modular inserts that allow for tailored storage solutions. Instead of cluttered silverware drawers, homeowners are opting for dedicated knife slots, spice pullouts, and utensil trays that make it easier to find and access everyday items. Finally, the use of integrated lighting inside drawers and cabinets is gaining popularity, making it easier to locate items while adding a soft glow to the kitchen at night. Subscribe. Love staying ahead of home design trends? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. Lighting is no longer just about functionality, it's now a key design element that can elevate the entire look of a kitchen. In 2025, statement lighting is taking center stage, with oversized pendants, sculptural fixtures, and layered lighting adding personality to the space. One of the biggest trends is oversized, artistic pendant lights over kitchen islands. Instead of simple fixtures, homeowners are opting for hand-blown glass, rattan, and metal dome pendants that add a unique design element. Clustered pendant lights and multi-arm chandeliers are also gaining popularity, bringing a contemporary yet timeless feel. LED lighting continues to evolve, with under-cabinet and in-drawer lighting becoming standard. These additions create a warm ambience while improving visibility for food prep and storage. Backlit backsplashes and hidden LED strips under floating shelves are also emerging trends, enhancing both function and style. Beyond lighting, bold accent choices are making waves in 2025. While neutral kitchens remain popular, many homeowners are adding pops of color through statement backsplashes, bold hardware, and uniquely shaped range hoods. Instead of traditional stainless steel, range hoods are now being designed in matte black, brass, and even colored finishes to act as a focal point. Decorative touches like patterned tiles, colorful appliances, and textured cabinet fronts help personalize kitchens while maintaining an overall sophisticated look. Want more kitchen inspiration? Check out our playlist for the best kitchen decor and design ideas. Kitchen design in 2025 is all about balance, blending warmth with functionality, tradition with modernity, and aesthetics with practicality. This year's trends reflect a shift toward personalized, welcoming spaces that enhance both the beauty and efficiency of the home. Instead of purely minimalist or industrial styles, homeowners are embracing rich textures, earthy tones, and nature-inspired elements that bring warmth and character into the kitchen. One of the biggest transformations is in color choices. The sterile white kitchens of the past are giving way to deeper, more inviting hues. Shades of green, terracotta, deep blue, and warm neutrals are becoming more popular. These colors bring a sense of grounding and serenity, making the kitchen feel like a natural extension of the home. At the same time, natural materials are taking center stage. Wood cabinetry, stone countertops, and textured surfaces create a tactile, layered look that feels organic yet refined. Instead of high-gloss finishes, homeowners are opting for matte and honed surfaces, which offer a more understated and elegant appeal. Fluted cabinetry, reeded glass, and lime-washed walls further add to the sense of depth and texture in the kitchen. Storage is also evolving to be smarter and more streamlined. Hidden compartments, appliance garages, and built-in organization systems ensure that everything has its place. Multifunctional kitchen islands have become a must-have, incorporating extra storage, pull-out features, and hidden seating options to maximize space. Another major trend is the emphasis on lighting as a key design element. Gone are the days of simple recessed lighting. Now, sculptural pendant lights, under-cabinet LED strips, and backlit backsplashes are redefining the atmosphere of the kitchen. Warm-toned lighting enhances the inviting nature of the space, making it feel cozier and more sophisticated. Beyond aesthetics, functionality and innovation remain at the forefront. Homeowners are investing in smart kitchen technology, from touchless faucets to energy-efficient appliances that make everyday tasks easier. Induction cooktops, integrated smart lighting, and voice-controlled features are becoming the new standard, blending convenience with sustainability. Personalization is another defining characteristic of 2025 kitchens. Interested in the products featured in this video? Check out the links in the description to shop the look. Instead of following fleeting fads, these trends are rooted in a desire for spaces that feel authentic, practical, and inviting.